Alright, so today I'll be showing you guys how to create a bootable flash drive for any version of Windows, being it Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8 or Windows 7. So without wasting much time, let's get started. First thing we want to do is to download the version of Windows we want to use. Here I'll be using Windows 10 x64. And then the next thing is to get the free software. Now this is a free software. It's not a software that you have to pay anything. It is free to use. It is free to download and free to use. So what we want to search for is for Rufus. As it opens, we go to the official website of the Rufus software, which is the rufus.ie. Then we click on it. And here we are on the website. And then we scroll down. Here are the links for Rufus. So here you choose your platform of your system, your Windows. Mine is 64-bit, so I'll be going for Windows x64 for the standard version, and here is the latest version of the software. So I'll be clicking on it. Then once it pop up, we will now start downloading and wait for it to download. So download complete. So we minimize our browser and open the folder. So I'll be dragging it to the desktop for easy access. So we now have our Windows software, our Windows 10 software, and the Rufus software. So the next thing we want to do now is to insert our USB drive into our system. Insert. USB drive is inside our system now. So now the next thing now is to open our Rufus software. Click yes. So now here's the Rufus software. Then the first thing we are doing now is the device. That is our external USB that we want to use as the bootable device. If we have more than one USB drive connected to the system, they will all pop up here, but we are having only just our single 8 GB external flash drive. So that being done, then boot selection, want it to be disk or ISO image. This is the best form of bootable device. Then now we have to select the software. That is, this is our Windows 10 in the desktop. We click on select, go to our desktop where we have our Windows 10, click on it and open. Now our windows have been selected. So now this is where we choose the form. Is it MBR or GPT? I like going for GPT because GPT is small. I don't even know how to put it. I just like going for GPT. Cost like commotion, I think. Okay. OFI, yes. UEFI, non-CMS. Yes, I think that is all. Yes, that is all. Then we'll click, I think ready. Then we'll click on start button to begin the installation. Okay, now I guess this is a new software of hard drive. The former one doesn't bring out these options. Okay, let's see what they have here. Customize Windows installation. Create a local account with username. Set regional options to the same values as these users. Disable data collection. Disable BitLock automatic device encryption. I don't think I'll be selecting any of this. I just click my OK. Then to pop up a warning that all data on the device will be formatted. You don't need to format your flash drive. The Rufus software will do that for you automatically. Click on OK, and then to start formatting the hard drive first, and then before to start creating the windows. So we just have to wait for it to finish copying the files into the flash drive and then converting it into a bootable flash drive. So let's wait. And now it is done. So the bootable flash drive is now ready for installation. So all you have to do is just to close here and let's cross check it. Let's cross check it. This PC. Now we'll see our bootable hard drive. Our external flash drive is now a bootable device. And that's how to create a bootable flash drive for any version of Windows. If you found this video helpful, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in our next video.